I have walked through Dresden for the past 3 hours, and I'm right here in the Dresdner Zwinger, which looks like it's a castle. And to the right, not very far away, is the river Elbe. But this looks like a very respectable castle with its own moat. So it's October 19th, 2025. It has the modern and the ancient right near each other. And it looks like the people are walking over the castle. Which is really magnificent. Now I have to be careful, there's no walls to stop anyone falling in. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Looks like our President of the United States. Got some ideas. It's wicked. Really at a distance you can see another building. All kinds of behind that is another gorgeous building. Dresden clearly was a very wealthy town for a long time. And then along came the Nazis, then along came the Royal Air Force, then along came the communists. It really has a feeling of a city that's woken from a deep sleep or death. There's plenty of death in Dresden.